Hey there, campers. It's Barry here with Southern RV TV. We're coming at you from our sales slot, where behind me we've got a brand new Zinger floor plan. It's the 259FL. It's new for this coming year, and it is cool in a way that we don't see in some of our other small trailers here on the lot. This unit has no slides on it, so it's a straight box front to back, but it's a front living floor plan. We're going to check out some of the features on the outside and then hop up in it, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. Alright, so outside of the 259FL, one of the first things we notice up front is that we have a power tongue jack. And also, if we look down below, we've got all power landing gear. So those are power stabilizers. They don't level the camper. You need to level the camper by using leveling blocks under the tires for the left and right and front to back with that front tongue jack. But once it's leveled, you can run those stabilizers down electrically. We've got a nice big electric awning that runs almost the length of the camper. Notice that down low here we've got some entry steps that are solid steps from LCI. These don't have the strut assist, but they're still very nice landing steps. Because this is a front living, it doesn't have the front pass-through storage, but they made up for that by adding it to the back here. Up here you notice that we have a couple of outside speakers as well. Let's open up that pass-through storage and take a look at it. There we go. As you can see, it's a pretty decent sized space, and it doesn't give access to the inside of the cabin. It's simply a pass-through storage that's accessible from the outside only. Moving around the back, notice that we have our spare tire mounted to the bumper. And then there's that other panel access door, our 30 amp power cord. This is equipped with an outside shower. There's our access to the water heater. And then we'll push on up to the front and climb in this thing. So as I was saying, guys, this is a front living floor plan. That's not something that's all that common for us to see in a short travel trailer like this one. There is our front entertainment center that we can see as we come through the door. And it's got our couch down beneath it there. I'm going to pull around and kind of aim down on this a little bit here. So as you can see, there's room to seat 2, maybe 3. It would be a little tight to seat 3. A little end table down there on the end. Now this couch, it is a jackknife, so if we lift it up, it can lay flat. And that way you could sleep somebody else here if you needed to. There's plenty of counter space, as you can see in the kitchen there. And I'll pan back so that you can see that in relation to the front storage and entertainment center. Notice it does come with a sound bar. They left us plenty of space to mount a TV of your choice. There's plenty of storage all the way around it. And up top up here, that's a little shelf. So you could stash some stuff up there as well. Our kitchen has some overhead cabinetry, microwave, hooded range, 3-burner, and a little oven down beneath. They've given us a sink cover just to give us a little more counter space. Opening that up reveals that we've got a big single basin stainless steel sink. Close that down there. And they've added this kind of like breakfast nook area here. You can see we've got 2 stools down beneath it, so you can pull those out, watch TV, eat a little breakfast in the morning. And the windows in here are pretty decently sized. We've got a couple of them. They open up nice and wide to get some cross breeze through here, as well as the 2 that are in the kitchen area. If we turn around in the kitchen, directly across from the stove, we find our pantry area, and those have nice deep shelves to them. Let's open one of those up so that you can see it. And all of that is next to our 12-volt refrigerator. That's not your traditional gas electric refrigerator. It's actually runs on 12 volt alone, and because it's 12 volt we don't have those cooling fins in the back, which gives us a little more volume inside for storage. Mounted next to the wall here we see our thermostat, and then there's a sliding door here that lets us push into our bathroom. The bathroom is a pass-through. We have a decent sized shower stall here with a wand. Let me see if I can pan down on it for you, and it's got a little bit of a tubbed floor to it as well. Opposite of that, we've got our foot flush toilet, as well as a small sink, a little bit of storage on either side, and a medicine cabinet up top. As we pass through the bathroom, we end up in the bedroom. The bedroom is decently sized. You can walk around the bed. There's storage on either side in the form of closets, and also under this bed, this lifts up, it has a little strut, and there's a small storage space there as well. The bedroom windows do come with blackout shades, so we pull these guys down and they can cover the window quite nicely. And that's on all three of the windows that are in here. Now, opening those up again will give you some nice cross breeze in temperate weather. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video tour. This isn't the biggest camper, so it's not one of our longer videos. But if you do like it, please be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube and Facebook, where we're constantly putting out new inventory. Until next time, happy camping.